Hello, welcome to this product introduction on the asset profile. The asset profile allows you to see all the context about your data assets, like descriptions, owners, and your own custom metadata. The asset profile allows you to view the lineage and explore the sources and destinations of your data assets. If the asset has applicable fields or columns, they will show on the asset profile, and you can even utilize the sample data function to view the underlying data to explore and validate. The asset profile also has the asset companion, which allows you to add even more metadata context to your assets through resources or adding Jira tickets. It also has the activity log of the asset itself, so you can see the updates that have been made to the metadata on the asset. It is your one-stop shop for a 360 view of any of your data assets.
The asset profile can be accessed through various means, including lineage or a quick search. The easiest and most accurate way to find the asset you need is through asset discovery. When you land on the asset profile, the left-hand side will display key metadata about the asset. This includes the description, certification, ownership, and READMEs. If it is an applicable asset, columns or fields will also be shown on the asset profile. There will also be a Columns tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this tab displays all columns without pagination, and you can search and find columns within the asset through this tab. The last tab is the Lineage tab. Clicking it brings up a visual representation of the lineage of that asset. From here, you can traverse both upstream and downstream from the asset. On the right-hand side of the asset profile is the Asset Companion sidebar. You start on the Overview tab, where you can both view and update the metadata of the asset. There's also a Lineage tab, which displays the lineage associated with the asset in a table format. If the asset is from an applicable source, the usage option will be available. You can view how often the data asset has been queried over the last 30 days, along with viewing the users who have queried the asset, expensive queries being run against it, and other valuable usage information about that data asset. The Activity tab allows you to view metadata changes and updates that have occurred on the asset, including description updates and the individuals responsible for making them. It's a great way to see an audit trail on what was updated and who made the changes. The Resources tab allows you to view and add additional links associated with the asset, such as additional documentation or even a video link, making them easily accessible. If you've created custom metadata fields, they show on the Asset Companion sidebar if designated in the settings of the custom metadata field. Each custom metadata field will appear as a different icon on the Asset Companion sidebar. Here, you can edit or view the custom metadata values. And with that, we conclude our high-level introduction to the asset profile.